At LG Q60, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and then select call settings. And here just click on call blocking and decline with message. And if you would like to block some number, just click on block numbers and then select plus icon. And just pick some number from your contacts, call logs, or enter a new number. So let me, for example, enter a number. Smoothly enter the number that you would like to block and then click on block to add this contact, this number to your blacklist. And that's it. From now on, this number, this contact will not be able to reach you. If you would like to delete this number from your blacklist, just click on the bin icon and click on remove. And as you can see, it's no longer here. Then you can also click on decline with message. So just pick the message that you would like to have and you can personalize it by and then once someone is calling you, you'll be able to use this message. And actually this is it. This is how you can block a number in your device in your LG Q60. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.